Today, I'll walk you through a practical method for creating a staging site in WordPress using a plugin, and just as importantly, how to safely push your changes live once you're happy with them. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently test updates and improvements in a safe environment before making them public, eliminating the risk of breaking your live site for visitors. Let's get right into it. If your web hosting doesn't include built-in staging tools, or if you simply want a bit more control over the process, plugins like WP Staging or Duplicator are fantastic options. First, you'll want to install one of these staging plugins from right inside your WordPress dashboard. Just head over to Plugins, then Add New, and use the search bar to find WP Staging, Duplicator, or another reputable staging plugin. Click Install, and once it's ready, don't forget to activate it. This is just like adding any other plugin, but this one unlocks a lot of peace of mind. If you run into a warning about compatibility, don't worry, always make sure your plugin is up to date and has good reviews. Now, with the plugin activated, you're ready to actually create your staging site. The plugin will add a new menu in your WordPress dashboard, usually labeled something like WP Staging or Staging Sites. Go ahead and open that menu. And you'll typically see an option to create new staging site or clone site. When you start the process, the plugin will do all the heavy lifting for you. It will clone your website into a subdirectory. Like your site, com/staging, creating a perfect duplicate of your site with all your content and themes, but in a completely separate space. This is a safe digital playground, so you can experiment as much as you like without affecting your real live site. It's normal for the cloning process to take a few minutes, especially if you have a lot of media or posts, so grab a coffee or just let it run. Once your staging site is ready, it's time for the fun part, making changes and testing things out. Just log into your staging site using the same credentials as you use on your live site. This is where you can update plugins, swap themes, try out new layouts, or even test out big site upgrades without worrying about breaking anything for your visitors. For example, if you've been nervous to install that one major plugin update, now's your chance to see how it behaves before it goes public. Be sure to click around, test functionality, check mobile views, really kick the tires so you can be confident everything works perfectly. When you're happy with your changes and have double-checked that everything's working, it's time to push those updates live. The best staging plugins offer a clear push-to-live button, sometimes labeled as Deploy Changes. Click it, and you'll usually see a few options, like whether you want to sync only database changes, only files, or everything. Take a moment here. If you changed any media or uploaded new files, you'll want to sync both the files and database. Otherwise, if you just tweaked content or settings, database only might be enough. Double-check your options and then start the push. The plugin will carefully merge your changes from the staging area to your main website, making sure nothing gets lost or overwritten by accident. Let it finish its work. Depending on your site size, this can take a minute or two, and that's it. You've just used a WordPress plugin to safely create a staging environment, test updates, and seamlessly push your improvements live. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to share your own staging tips, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical WordPress tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy staging.